Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a person from a picture on Canva. Select your picture. This is a pro feature. Select edit image and you are going to select the magic eraser. You can click or use the brush. The brush is more accurate, but I'm just going to click for this one because I don't think I'll have the time to remove it. So I'm just going to select, let's say, the guy on the guy on the right. Then you're just going to select erase and it's going to erase the person for you, hopefully. And that is how you can remove a person from an image on Canva. It is super simple. Again, use the brush tool to be more precise, but since I don't want to make a long tutorial, I'm just going to do this. As you can see, the person has been removed. You can remove more than one person. You can select another one and select erase. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!